Flightless birds. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. It is the largest bird in the world. It cannot fly, but it can run fast. Emu. This is an emu. It cannot fly. It has feathers which look like fur on its body. It is one of the largest birds in the world. It lives in Australia. Cassowary. This is a cassowary. It lives in Australia. It has a crested head. It will attack humans. Rhea. This is a rhea. It is smaller than ostrich. It lives in South America. It is a great runner. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. It is smaller than a hen. It lives in the bush of New Zealand and spends its time searching for worms. Penguin. This is a penguin. Although penguins cannot fly, they are excellent at swimming and fishing. They live in the Antarctic region.
Wow, how many varieties of birds! It's really amazing, isn't it?